Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
It's Tubey Toys.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys, and today I have some Wave 2 Incredibles 2 Junior Supers figures. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Let your friends know about Tubey Toys. Ring that notification bell every time I post a new video or host a giveaway, which is coming again very soon. You'll be the first one to get notified. If you're first, let me know that you're first right now so I can say hello. Alright, let's get started. So we have Wave 2 Incredibles 2 figures coming out by Jakks Pacific. They were supposed to be out in August. I don't know what the delay is, but for some reason they are not all here yet. We have the 2.5-inch Junior Supers figures. Now the 4-inch figures will be coming out soon. I posted them recently on tubeytoys.com. That's our blog, and that illustrated all of the new Wave 2 Poseable figures coming out.
These figures will include Edna Mode, Fire Jack, Elastigirl in her Elastisuit with goggles, the Underminer, and you're also going to get Mr. Incredible in his classic super suit that we also saw in Incredibles 2, and Screenslaver with his laptop to hypnotize people. Now, these are available right now on Amazon, but they are so overpriced, so I suggest you do not buy them. Please wait, I beg you. Do not spend $34.99 on a figure that's going to be about $9.99 in store. So be patient, they're going to be out very soon. I already pre-ordered mine from Entertainment Earth. You can do the same thing. You are going to pay a little bit of a premium for them, but if you want a full assortment, you can do that. I wouldn't suggest it though. If you're a kid and if you want to save some money, I'm doing this so I could show you guys, so I can just give back and everything. If I have any extra, you know I always give away. And don't forget that we will be having our 10K subscriber giveaway coming very soon. Stay tuned to the end of the video for details on that. Now let's continue and open up the figures that we have in front of us.
Thought it'd be fun to show you something that I found at Five Below. This is actually by Jakks Pacific. It's not a posable figure, and I only found one of them, and the guy wasn't really too helpful. He said whatever we have on the floor, and that's it. I haven't seen these. They're $5. I mean, I think it's really cute. They had only these figures, and I wish I just bought more of them because I could just use a bunch of these Jacks. They're like it's like a Jack totem pole. So cute. They don't separate or anything, but this is when Jack like multiplies in the movie. If you haven't seen the movie yet, I'm sorry, I didn't give away anything, but that's that right there. So cute. And it comes with his mama, Elastigirl, and she is in her typical Elastigirl pose. She comes on her own little stand, and her arm is extending out. She doesn't pose or anything, but she's in like, she looks really cool. For $5, I think it's a cool like figure to get because it comes with two of them, so it is worth it. Haven't seen anything like this, and I just think it's really cool that they're made by Jakks Pacific. Let's move on to Wave 2 Junior Supers. If you're not familiar with Junior Supers, this is a huge like preschool line, and they rolled out with so many different play sets. We got the Hydroliner, we have the Underminer's Tunneler, we have Mr. Incredible's Incredibile, Elastigirl's Elasticycle. There's unlimited possibilities to play with these figures. So now we can play with Edna. Originally, the only Edna figure that I had was this one and our little Funko Mystery Mini, but this was our little Edna, and now we have our own Edna, and she's posable. Isn't that cool? So I didn't get all of these. You can get Elastigirl and the Underminer. Since we already have the Tunneler, I didn't get Elastigirl and the Underminer. I didn't think it made any sense. And they also rolled out with Elastigirl and Dash. I already have this Elastigirl. I actually have two of them. This Elastigirl in her new super suit comes with the Elasticycle, and Dash comes with the original Wave 1. I think he came with his Elastigirl in the original super suit outfit. So let's open up Mr. Incredible and Edna. Okay, the first figure we're going to look at is Mr. Incredible, and this is my third Mr. Incredible. I got him with the original family pack, and then I got the Incredibile. So now here is my third one, which is totally fine. And let's show you guys how poseable he is. He could move his arms around and around. You could show off his muscles. He can't bend his legs. They share the same joint, so his legs just move like that. But he could sit nicely. And he could turn his head all the way around. So points of articulation are really, really good. So you could pose them really nicely for those action scenes with Screenslaver and the Underminer. Now we're going to move on to Edna Mode. Hello, darlings. Now we can actually recreate the scene with Baby Jack and Edna. And I heard that when the Incredibles 2 comes out on DVD, they're coming out with the short that shows you what happened when Mr. Incredible dropped off Baby Jack to Edna whenever she babysat. That's going to be awesome. So we have another babysitting short. I don't know if you remember from Incredibles 1, Jack Attack. That was with Kari, the other babysitter. We haven't heard from Kari. She wasn't in part 2, so I would have liked to know what happened to her. So let's check out Edna Mode. She's really super poseable with these arms. She doesn't bend at the elbow, but her shoulder joints are so loose. Really awesome. She's wearing her Incredibles 2 outfit. That really smart outfit that looks kind of like felt. She has her typical Edna smirk, darlings. No capes, darling. Her head spins around and around. Her legs share the same joint, so you can't bend her at the knee, but she is perfection, and she's really awesome addition to the Junior Supers. I'm so happy to have her. And these are $6.99. You can grab them now at Target. I don't know about any other store, so I'm pretty sure Target has them first, and then I'm sure Walmart will follow. Amazon will definitely be coming in. Amazon does not have them on the website yet, but I did scan the barcode. They're there, but it looks like they're not for sale yet, and it doesn't even look like it's the actual picture. So be warned, these are $6.99. Don't spend any more money than that, because these will be coming out more frequently. Okay, last but not least, we have Jack and the Raccoon. So super excited. And this is not just any Jack. This is Fire Jack. Okay, so you can see him on the back of this one. He looks a lot better. He's really, really translucent here. Let's take a look. And I just want to add that these do stand up pretty well, so keep that in mind. I'm so super happy about that. I love the Junior Supers line because they're very, very, very strong legs, so you can pose them. They stand well, and they move well, and they just fit in every kind of toy that we have. I usually play with them with, well, my son and I play with them with the like our Peppa Pig set, and they fit in the seats, and pretty awesome. We had them in the Teen Tower a few times. Come over to eat some pizza. Let's take a look at Fire Jack first. I have a few of these figures, thankfully, so I'm really, really grateful for that. But I'm really happy to have Fire Jack with some more animation. So we have some flames coming up through his arm. Super awesome. You could, oh, he's really tight joints, so it's good. He spins his head. His head actually goes up and down as well. The joints here are really good, and he doesn't share, does he? He does share joints, but it's okay. He's like translucent. He's super cool. I'm going to show you the original Baby Jack. The original Junior Supers Baby Jack. So in size, he is a little bit larger, just a little bit. Really, really, really cool. Let's see how he stands. I'll probably just sit. Here we go. He's sitting now. And now we have his arch nemesis, the Raccoon. If it wasn't for this Raccoon, we'd never know about Baby Jack's powers. So thankfully this Raccoon was rummaging through the garbage. He's really cute, and he's in his pose. Looks like he's ready to punch. And his arms go up and down. They do go around and around. His head goes around and around too. His legs share the same joint. His tail does not move, but his tail will probably help to sit him down or to stand him up, which it does perfectly. There's no like finagling here. So overall, I think these sets are really, really good. For $6.99, you get 2 figures. It's a really, really, really good deal. And the fact that we're adding more characters to this line gets me so excited. I cannot wait to see more. In case you're wondering what the Underminer or Elastigirl or the Dash figures are looking like, be sure to check out our other videos on our channel. I'll put links to those videos at the top of the screen. So I want to show you guys this. So we have the Hydroliner in the background. I was just talking with Jack Specific. I'm so super excited to be working with them finally. After so many years of having our channel, like we finally have Jack Specific looking our way, so thank you so much. They sent us a bunch of cool things to review and unbox for our channel, but the one thing they sent us was the Hydroliner, and we had already reviewed this months ago, and I have it in the box new, and we are actually having a giveaway coming up when we reach 10,000 subscribers. We're so super close to being there, so please share our channel with your friends. The sooner we get to 10K, the sooner we can have this cool giveaway, and I will be including the Hydroliner in it, and that's a pretty substantial gift. That's about 40 bucks right there, and I'm going to be adding some more cool items. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.